Hey guys, we're back with another video of our vacation to Portland, Oregon. As we mentioned in the first video, this was a true vacation for us, so it was filmed in a more raw and less cinematic behind the scenes way, but maybe dressed up here and there with a little flair. If you would like to check out the video of our journey to Portland, it's waiting for you in the description below. But without further ado, I'm Justin.
And I'm Scott.
And guess what?
We living for L-O-V-E.
Love. Now where were we? Oh, that's right.
I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Come running back.
So, after we settled into the room, we were so excited to be in one of our favorite cities that we wanted to do everything we planned for the trip in one day. But we knew we had 6 whole days to accomplish all that we planned on the itinerary. We decided to stretch our legs and just enjoy a walk. While out and about, we stopped for a drink at a hotel close by called Hilo, which is one of the Marriott Autograph Collection hotels. We were going to stay here, but when we went to book the room we wanted, they were sold out. We were so drained from the 10-hour drive that we kind of forgot to film the details of the rest of the day, but we did get a few things here and there. Before we called it a night, we got food at one of our favorite Thai food spots called Thai Peacock. The next morning, we decided to get the day started at this cute French cafe across the street from the hotel, even though our hotel had a pretty cool coffee and tea spread set up in the lobby free for guests. But it's our little tradition now. We make sure to get a coffee and an eclair at least once from here while we're in the city. The cafe is called Boulangerie, which means bakery in French. While editing this video, I did look up how to pronounce the name and the meaning on YouTube. Where else?
Croissant. Croissant.
Croissant. Okay, so listen to this. We looked up parking garages before we arrived so we could find a good price because the hotel parking was valet at $45 a day. I almost forgot. I don't know why, because it was so much. We found a garage that was above a US bank, so we thought it would be pretty cool. We didn't need anything too fancy. But when we got there, we noticed the garage wasn't monitored and there were no elevators to get to the ground level or up, so that was weird. It was a mess. So as you see, the next day we find another garage that was directly across the street from the hotel that was monitored, easy access, and best of all, cheaper. Oh, and if you're wondering about the suitcase, we're stopping at a grocery store and we use it to haul water and whatnot to the room. We even do this in Vegas. I know we just got coffee, but I love getting a turmeric ginger latte from this cafe inside a neighborhood grocery store. It reminds me as if Trader Joe's and Whole Foods had a baby. It's called World Foods. After this, we are on our way to the Rose Garden. Before leaving the garden, Scott and I sat on this bench and enjoyed the nature sounds while doing a breathing exercise from the app Calm. It was one of our best moments during the trip. We drove back to the hotel and set out on foot again. This time we had to visit one of Scott's most anticipated destinations in the city. Let me give you a hint. The writings are on the wall.
What the fuck was that?